Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is inspired by the old Bollywood style. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Let's jump right into the video.
Tuck the sari starting from your belly button, and with the remaining fabric you would have to do individual pleats, leaving about 2 inches of gap between each pleat. About 4 such individual pleats would have to be done, and make sure it's neatly tucked in. With the remaining fabric according to your desired length, fold the sari and wrap it around your waist. For the pallu, fold small pleats according to the width of the border of your sari and do not forget to pin it. There's your Bollywood inspired sari drape with a twist.